Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Liette, and today we're going to learn how to make this three-dimensional little heart just on time for Valentine's Day. In my past videos, you will see that there's a how-to how to make all of these little roses that explains how to make them right from start to end. You will need approximately 50 of the little roses to create this one. You can also do a simpler version if you'd rather make just a few less roses and do a textured center. This one only requires maybe 15-20 roses. This one requires about 50. So let's get started. All right, we have all of our flowers lined up and we are ready to get started on our Valentine's project. The first thing you're going to need is a cardboard heart, and try to get a color that matches with the flowers that you're going to be using. I'm going to do it in 4 layers, so one that's about ½ an inch smaller, and then ½ an inch smaller, and then ½ an inch smaller. I will have a template for you at the bottom of this video so that you can go and trace your template. The next thing that you want to do is you are going to need some foam, either foam tape or foam dots. I used a foam tape. It's quite thick, which is what I was looking to do because I wanted to do 2 layers. I want to elevate each layer of these hearts that we're going to put together. So the main heart doesn't get anything. The next layer will get, as you can see here, I did 2 layers of the foam tape that I'll be sticking one on top of the other. And then I did the same thing on the medium sized one and the same thing on the small one. So they're going to basically be 4 layers to our heart. So the first thing that we want to do is we're going to get started with gluing our little roses on top of our heart. And basically you want to, you don't want to squish them in too much, but you want to put them close enough together so that you don't really see through it, which is one of the reasons why we're using the same color cardstock, just in case that, once you've put your little flowers in, if you end up seeing kind of through it, you want to be able to, not see a different color. So basically we're going to be putting it like this. In this one we may put actually, you know what, I'm going to maybe just trim this little guy a little bit down the center just so that we don't really see it. There we go. Okay, let's try that one again. So then we're going to put one on each corner and then this one on the point, and you want to kind of tuck them in so that they kind of meet up well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some regular white glue, and you want to put a fair amount of glue because you don't want these to fall off, obviously. Now you can use a glue gun if you wish. I prefer using white glue. That just seems to be my thing. So I'm going to put my first little rose here. It gives you a little bit of time to play with it. And you get them placed. You want to maybe kind of tuck your petals kind of one inside the other. And there's our first one. So there's our first little guy. So we're going to set this one aside and we're going to go to the next layer. And maybe I will do the same thing on this one, is I will just kind of add in a little V in the middle here, just so that we don't see it through. So we're going to start by we're going to do kind of one side. So you just want to put some glue. And like I said, I like to use the white glue because I find that it gives me time to play with it. Whereas the hot glue gun, you put it on and it's on. You can't really do anything with it. So we'll do one. And you want to kind of tuck them in. And you want it to go over the edge of the heart a little bit. That's 2. Whoops. And you want to tuck the petals in. That's 3. Whoops. You want to make sure you don't lose the shape of your heart, though. I'm going to tuck them in. I'm going to tuck this guy in so that we can put one kind of at the very bottom. So before we do our bottom one, let's do the other side. And you want to make sure that they're glued on well. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. this guy in here. And you can lift your little petals to make sure that they kind of tuck into one another. And you want to try to have your sides, both sides, look as much as possible the same. So let's move this guy out a little bit. And this guy will fit in here. And we'll put a little dab because it's going to be one that's going to go right in the middle there. All right, so let's put this guy in here. And like I said, you want to make sure that you're hanging over the edge of your heart a little bit. You don't want to see the edge of the heart. All right, we are not putting, that was our first layer. This is our second layer. So we are not filling in the middle here because they're going to be one layer on top of the other. So this is number 1, that's number 2. And now we can start on number 3. And we're basically doing the same process as we're going to go all the way around the edges. And we're going to do the same thing on the third one. So go ahead and glue in all your little flowers. Okay, we are back with all of our layers, with all of our flowers put on. And basically you've glued all your little roses on the edges of the 4 layers. And remember at the beginning we put in the foam tape, and that was to elevate. So we're going to start with this one on the bottom. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to remove our backing on these tapes. Okay. I don't have any nails, so I'm going to have to come in here and kind of lift this up. Whoops, it's really sticky. So when you're putting it down, you make sure that you're got it right in the right spot right from the beginning because they really stick. All right, and then we're going to just line this up. And we're going to put it directly on top of that layer. Oops, a little bit of glue here. All right, and we're going to repeat the same thing with the next layer. Remove your tape. And we're going to drop this one on top of this one. And one more layer, and that's our little guy. And we're going to just remove the tape. And remember at the beginning I did say that I did put 2 layers of this foam tape because you need the thickness because of the size of the roses. And then we're going to drop this little guy, whoops, right in the middle. Whoa. And we're going to drop this guy right in the middle. So here is the heart. Now you can either lay it flat like this. I wanted to make a little easel for it so that it would stand on an angle if somebody was to put it on a nightstand or on a desk. And what you need to do for that is you'll need, again, using the same color, you're going to cut yourself a piece that measures 2 1/4 by 8 3/4. And then we're going to score it. So you'll need your score pal. And you're going to score at, your first score line is going to be at 1/4. So you're going to, your first score line is at 1/4. You see this better. So 1/4. The next score line is at 1 1/4. And then 4 1/4. At 4 1/2. 7.5, and 8.5. Oops. 7.5 and 8.5. So again, you're going to score at 1/4, at 1 1/4, 4 1/4, 4.5, 7.5, and 8.5. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold all these lines. So press all of your score lines down. And press them down really well. You can burnish them if you wish. So this is the little 1/4 inch. Little 1/4 inch. So I've basically burnished all of my lines. And how this is going to lay is, you see these ones, they match, so they're going to go on top of one another. And this is the little angle that we're going to have our heart sitting on. But what we want to do is, because our heart goes into a point, what you're going to do is you're going to lay this flat and you're going to fold this on the first score line. And what you want to do is you want to measure. You want to measure, I mean, I'm on my board, so I can use my board to do this. So you want to measure 1 inch on the side, 1 inch on the side. And then if you line this up in the corner, you want to measure 5/8 of an inch, so approximately here. And then 5/8 of an inch. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut from mark to mark. And before we glue it all, what you want to do is just lay your heart on it to make sure that it works for what we want. I'm not going to glue it yet. I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to try my heart to make sure that it will sit on it properly. So there we go. All right, so what we want to do next is we're going to glue this. So you're going to apply glue on the 2 little 1/4 inch here. Let's do the first one. And then we'll do the next one. So the next little 1/4 inch. Now you can make this out of, I'm using the exact same cardstock, so it's the same color. But if you think that you need a heavier cardstock, so basically all this is doing is giving me a little easel. And also, if you wanted to put a little note, you could on the back put in a little note in here before you glue it all on. And basically the heart is going to come and it's going to sit on top like this, so that it has a little bit of an angle that it's sitting on. And then we're just going to glue it. And you want to glue it well, and you want to make sure that you don't see this bottom piece here, that your point goes past that. All right, and then I'm just going to center my heart on top of that. Make sure it's glued well. And there you go. So this is our project for today. It's a cute project for a Valentine's Day little gift. If you enjoyed doing this project, please comment, subscribe, and like. And if you subscribe, then any new videos coming up, you'll get a notification. There'll be lots of new stuff coming in the near future. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed our craft.